All right, today we're going to talk about something that could quietly wreck your trading long before you even realize it's happening. It's something that people ask me every day. How much RAM do I need for trading? RAM stands for random access memory, and it's one of the most important parts of your entire trading setup. And right now, RAM is becoming more important than ever and also way more expensive. So let's break this down the right way. Imagine your RAM is a dining room table, not a desk, but a big dining room table. If the table is big, you can spread everything out, your charts, your scanners, your news feeds, your browser tabs, your Zoom window, maybe a video feed of CNBC. There's no overcrowding. Everything is open, everything is visible, everything runs smoothly. But now imagine trying to host Thanksgiving on a tiny two-person cafe table. Plates are falling off, glasses tipping over, food stacked on top of food. Total chaos, right? Well, that's exactly what happens when you don't have enough RAM. And here's the dangerous part most traders don't know. When that dining room table fills up, Windows doesn't stop. It starts pushing live data onto something called virtual memory, which essentially starts sending that data instead of to the RAM onto your hard drive or your SSD. And that's like taking all the stuff that doesn't fit on your dining room table and shoving it onto a shaky folding table in the garage. It technically works, but it's painfully slow and incredibly unstable. And that's why traders get chart hesitation. That's why they get order execution delays. They get platform freezes when volatility hits. And that's why they get random laggy spikes at the exact worst possible moment. This is not a platform issue. This is not a processor issue. This is a RAM issue. So think of it this way. Windows alone eats 2 to 4 gigabytes of RAM just to breathe. Open your trading platform, there goes another 4 to 8 gigabytes. Now think about it. If you're running, say, TradeStation and Thinkorswim, or NinjaTrader and Trade of 8, you might be up to 16 gigabytes right there. Now add all your browser tabs, your news streams, add Discord, add Zoom, add multiple monitor layouts. These things are resource hogs. Boom, you've hit like 24 gigabytes instantly. So here's the reality. If you're a casual trader, maybe checking a few charts a day, 16 gigs might scrape by. But real traders, active traders, 32 gigabytes is the real starting point. And if you run multiple monitors and heavy charts, and you've got tons of indicators, maybe multiple trading platforms, very common these days, 64 gigs will transform your system. And if you're doing any algo trading, back testing, machine learning, or anything that's a high load, 128 gigabytes is not overkill. It's totally the correct tool for the job. Now here's the part that matters most. We are officially in something called Ramageddon. RAM prices haven't just gone up. They've skyrocketed. I'm not kidding. I mean, they've absolutely exploded from 300 to 400%. And this is not a prediction. This has already happened. And here's a real example. About 10 weeks ago from this video, a 32 gigabyte RAM memory kit cost about $100 to $105. Right now, that same kit is pushing around $400. Why? Because of the AI boom. These AI companies walked into the memory factories and basically said, we'll take everything you got and we'll pay you whatever it costs. So the manufacturers, companies like Samsung, Micron, and Hynix, shifted production to AI memory because the margins are insane. Consumer RAM, the kind you and I need for trading computers, is now being produced in much smaller quantities, and the supply can't keep up. Analysts are saying this could last well into 2026, into 2027 and beyond. The days of lower price RAM, they're gone. They're not coming back. This is Ramageddon, and it's here right now. By the way, because RAM prices have already skyrocketed, I've been doing everything I can to keep my trading computer prices stable. But it's getting more and more difficult, and I'm going to have to be real with you. As of this video, I'm probably going to have to raise prices next week. And this is not like some holiday BS. I'm not BSing you. So if you want to see the trading computer I currently have on sale before the price jump hits, click the link in the description. Now, why does RAM actually matter? It's simple. Speed is everything. More RAM means smoother charts, faster order execution, having more things out on the table, which will lead to better stability during market volatility, and no more virtual memory slowdowns. Your computer can only work as fast as the RAM feeding it. Even if you bought a top-tier processor, if the RAM is starving it, it's like putting a Ferrari engine in a lawnmower. SSDs are starting to creep up in cost too because the same manufacturers are shifting their production lines. Not a crisis yet, but the trend is upward. So here's your action plan. If you're still on 8 gigabytes or 16 gigabytes of RAM, do yourself a favor. Upgrade immediately. This is trading suicide. If you're on 16, move to 32 gigabytes. You will feel the difference instantly. If you're a serious trader, go to 64 or 128 gigs. This will eliminate system bottlenecks completely. And if you need more storage, get it now before prices rise further. Traders who upgrade early get the performance edge. Traders who wait end up fighting lag exactly when you can't afford it. Before you go, please check out the machine I currently have on sale before prices go up next week. That link is in the description. Also, download my free complete guide to trading computers. It'll save you time. It'll save you money. I promise it'll save you a ton of frustration. And slam that subscribe button so you don't miss the next technology video or the next trading video I do for you. This is Eddie Z. Thanks for watching. May the trend be with you. Watch this video next. I know it will help you.